Hello NEET aspirants, my name is Ayan Ghosh. I am from Careermudhra, Bangalore. Today I am here in KIMS, Kempegowda Institute of Medical Science, which is one of the most premium private medical college in Karnataka in Bangalore. It is located in the heart of Bangalore, and this medical college is having total 250 medical seats, MBBS seats. The year of establishment 1980. You can see this beautiful academic block in Kempegowda Institute of Medical Science. This is the all campus. Will show you the campus, and if a student is looking for admission in KIMS, they have to participate in Karnataka State Counselling. The students who are not from Karnataka, they can take admission here through private quota, which is called open quota. Apart from that, NRI and others quota is also there. So just go through this video. This is the entrance of Kempegowda Institute of Medical Science, which is located in Valshankari in Bangalore. And you can see their campus. You can see this is the entire campus of Kempegowda institution, and this is the academic building. Hospital is in different places. I will show you the other part of the campus also. Students, beside me you can see this KIMS academic block is there. You can go to this. This is the KIMS academic block. So if a student is looking for admissions in MBBS here, ideally for the non-domicile student, they have to get the NEET rank approximately 50 to 60,000 in that range. You can see this is Kempegowda Institute of Medical Science, pre-clinical block, where the student comes for their classes here. Student, you can see this side, KIMS Medical College Ladies Hostel, where the students who are studying here, they stay. With me, Imran is there. Imran is from Bihar. He has taken admission in KIMS Bangalore. He is a first year student. So Imran, you can just tell me what is the reason you took admission in KIMS here from Bihar?
So basically my marks was just below the cutoff of all in the quota. So I wanted a college private and in low budget and have great features like everything.
Okay.
So that's why I searched everything in Kerala and Karnataka. These are the only cheap colleges. So in Karnataka I found this scheme after St. John's, I guess.
Yes.
St. John's, I guess. St. John's cutoff is very high.
Yes.
And since it's just below all in the quota.
Very good.
That's why I came.
Okay, with me, Imran is there. Imran is from Bihar. He tried for the government college first. Since he has not got government college, so that is the reason he tried in Kerala and Karnataka because of the low fees private courses. Correct? And Imran has taken admission in KIMS. Thank you.
That is Kerala.
Yeah. The fee structure is little low.
But the language problem is much more than
Yes. Kerala is language problem is little more than Karnataka. That's why you said. So how you like this academy? How is like the lectures,
everything is good, just like government college it is.
Just like government college. Okay, so
Literally
your hospital is in little far from here. So how
3 kilometers from here. Just they take every student from that.
Okay.
If you can go alone then
Okay. Thank you. And then how if you can give me a light about your hostel, how is the hostel? Because you are staying from one hostel.
hostel is good. They are not that much good and everything, but pretty good for the budget. Like it cost 1,40,000 for 1 year. So monthly basically around 12,000. In Bangalore if you see other places it will be much expensive.
And even I think your fees is 12 lakhs per annum. 12 lakhs per annum. Yes. And if you don't mind if I can ask your rank, what was your rank?
34,600.
34,000 rank Imran had, and you must be knowing the student whose rank was around 26,000. They have got government college last year in All India Counselling, right? So first he has tried in government college. He has not got even in Bihar also, right?
Bihar cutoff is
more than government All India cutoff. And Imran has chosen the best private college not only in Bangalore but also in India in this sector budget. Thank you so much, Imran, and wish you good luck for your career. Today I am standing in front of the KIMS Hospital, Bangalore. You can see the name of KIMS Hospital, and then I'll show you the inside of the KIMS Hospital. You can see this. This is the KIMS Hospital OPD block. This is KIMS Hospital OPD block. This too. And this is KIMS Hospital. It is the KIMS main hospital. This side. And that side is the emergency. Okay, you can see this. This is KIMS Hospital OPD. This is the OPD, and this is, you can see, this is OPD. Another biggest OPD block is there. There are two OPD blocks is there in KIMS Hospital, and apart from that, this is the main hospital. And now I am standing in front of the KIMS Hospital emergency. You can see that side. It is the emergency gate. And pharmacy is also there, and this is the emergency of the KIMS Hospital. If any emergency patient comes, they will enter there, and this is here. You can see this ambulance is also there. So this is the emergency block of the KIMS Hospital. We'll show you the inside infrastructure also. Now we are entering in the KIMS Hospital and Research Center, this building. This is the main building of the hospital, and patient comes here for the inquiry, and they registered there. This side central laboratory is there. You can see the patients are sitting here. And as I told you, this is the emergency. This side is the emergency. The emergency patient who comes, they enter in this. This is emergency entrance, as I shown you.